Good evening, sir. I am Sai Balaji from ECB section, and my roll number is 234G1A0498. Today, my topic is operating point and DC load lines from electronic devices and circuits. The subject code for electronic devices and circuits is 23 ECE 302. Operating point and DC load lines. Introduction to operating points. An operating point, also known as the Q point, refers to the specific point at which a device operates in its characteristic curve. It is critical for ensuring that electronic devices function properly in their intended applications. Understanding the operating point will help in predicting how the device will respond to input signals. What is a DC load line? DC load line is a graphical representation that indicates the relationship between voltage and current in a circuit. It provides a visual means to analyze how a circuit's components interact under DC conditions. The load line intersects with the device characteristic curve to determine the operating point. Importance of the load line. The DC load line is essential for identifying the maximum and minimum operating conditions of a circuit. It helps in determining the stability and efficiency of circuits performance. By visualizing the load line, engineers can make informed design decisions to optimize functionality. Constructing the DC load line. To construct a DC load line, the voltage and current values of the power supply and the load resistance are required. The load line is plotted on the device characteristic curve using these values. The intersection of the load line with the characteristic curve indicates the operating point. The role of the operating point. The operating point defines the biasing conditions of a transistor or other active devices. A well-chosen operating point ensures linear operation and minimization of distortion in signals. It is crucial for achieving desired gain and performance in amplifiers and other circuits. Effects of variations in load. Changes in load resistance can shift the DC load line, affecting the operating point. An increase in load resistance moves the operating points upwards along the load line. Conversely, decreasing load resistance shifts the point downwards, which can lead to saturation or cutoff. Examples of operating points. Examples of operating points. Common configurations include class A, B, and C amplifiers, each with unique operating points. The design of each class is tailored to specific applications, affecting efficiency and linearity. Understanding these configurations aids in selecting right operating point for desired outcomes. Analyzing the point stability. Stability of the operating point is vital for reliable circuit operation. Factors such as temperature variations and component aging and affect stability. Engineers often implement feedback mechanisms to maintain a stable operating point. Practical applications. Operating points and DC load lines are utilized in designing amplifiers, oscillators, and switching circuits. They are crucial in audio electronics, RF applications, and power amplifiers. Accurate analysis ensures that devices operate within safe and efficient parameters. Summary and key takeaways. Operating points and DC load lines are fundamental concepts in electronic circuit design. Proper understanding and application can lead to improved circuit performance and reliability. Engineers should prioritize these concepts during the design phase to ensure optimal functionality. Thank you.